Hello, I'm Craig Cuck from Superior Die Set. I'll be changing a blade on the C1000. We'll start on the process of changing the blade on the C1000. Once the head is above the clamps, we will unlatch the door. We're moving the deviator over, which is the orange arm, in that position. So when we turn the blade, it'll be easier going into the clamps. You got to clean the debris out from here. Well, now what we're doing is we're going to open the back side and we loosen the latch to bring the blade in so we can take the blade off. When we pull the blade off, we put the new one on. You must wear gloves too when you do this job. There you have your 30-foot 11 blade. Turn this way. Yep. Good job, man. Open her up. We're up. All right. Now the blade goes, this is the blade, the cutting edge, that goes on the inside of the big wheels. Once the blade's done, we go back through here. On the back side, there is a lever, which is a tensioner lever, and we'll tension the blade to make it tight. All right, you ready? We're gonna be tightening the clamp. Okay, here we go. Keep your hands clear of the blade. We're good. We're tight. Once that happens, we shut the doors. Okay, once the doors are shut here, then we have to go on the other side and try to tighten the clamps before we start the saw. We take that coating off the blade edge. So we set the feet down slower so we can peel that off. And this is the proper way without losing your hands. And then we stop it. And that's the process of changing our blade.